Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening and activating your Angel One trading and Demat accounts. This is the only way to transact. Complete eKYC with PAN and Aadhaar, upload scanned photo and signature, then verify via video or OTP. Once done, link a bank account and enable UPI or net banking for instant fund transfers. Make sure Demat services are activated so shares will be credited. After activation, log into the Angel One app or web portal using your ID and secure password. Now you place the buy order. Search the stock symbol, confirm real-time last traded price and volume, and decide why you are buying. Choose product type. Use CNC delivery for holding shares, MIS is for intraday. Then pick market or limit. For control, use limit and enter your price and quantity. Review brokerage and GST, stamp duty, and the total debit to your account. Once satisfied, confirm the order and note the order ID to monitor execution in the order book. After execution, monitor the order book to confirm the trade filled. Delivery shares appear in holdings post-settlement, T+1/T+2 depending on market. To exit, select the holding, choose sell, set order type and quantity, and confirm the process mirrors buying. If something goes wrong, first verify available funds and margin, ensure your limit price is realistic, and check two-factor authentication or bank debits. If persistent, contact Angel One support with your order ID and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.